Okay students, yesterday we were solving the previous year questions of SSC JE. We will continue with that, and today's session is also depending upon the previous year questions of SSC JE. I will start out from the first question. Question number 51. I will read out the question first. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. Is the question. This question is asked in SSC JE 3/3/17 forenoon session. And the series here is bears is to growl, cocks is to what? Is the question. And I will write down the question for this one. This is the question, and the options given are ka, who, croak and crow. This is the question, and you can obviously pause the video and try to guess the answer. And now I am going to reveal the answer, and let me give you initially a clue on how to solve this question. And if you try to solve this question in the manner yesterday we have solved, like counting the number of letters in each word or trying to figure out the meaning of each word, it's difficult for you to solve. So the logic behind this here is bears is to growl. What's the relation between these two words? Bears to growl means growl is the sound of the bear. Like lion roars. Lion is to roar, bear is to growl. This is the sound of the bear. What is the sound of a cock? Is the question asked here. And the sound of the cock is crow. You might not think crow is a bird. It is a sound of the cock. So this is the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 53. Which of the following words follow the trend of the given list? I will write down the words here. Zonal, ours, is ours, Weizen, seas and walls. And I am going to read out the options now. You can see your paper. The options are unitize, ablaze, azure and stanza. And obviously most of you people have already guessed the answer. Can you figure it out? Yes, the answer is the position of Z. The position of Z in each and every word is moving to one position right side. So zonal for 1, teasers 2, in Weizen it is in 3, in seas it is in 4, and in walls the Z position is in 5. So you must select the option in such a way that the option must have Z in the 6th position. So look at the options now. Only unitize as the alphabet Z in its 6th position. So the answer is unitize, option A. Okay, can you understand? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 54. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. This question is asked in SSC JE 2/3/2017 afternoon batch. And I will read out the series now. H, dire, gentry, stumpy is the question asked here. And I will read out the option followed by option A, splayed, option B, secrets, option C, preacher, option D, should. And can you guys guess the logic between this and solve the question? If you think you have to know the meaning and you have to know the meaning of the options to solve the question, means you are wrong. Actually the logic behind here is a simple logic. And after we have solved a few questions based on this logic also, most of you people have already solved this. So I am going to say the logic here. Before saying the logic, I will say the option A answer, because you people can try to solve. You can now pause the video and think why option A. I have selected why option A. And I am going to say the logic now. The logic is for each and every word, when each and every word is increasing, the number of letters in that word is increasing. See, for age, the number of letters is 3, for dire it's 4, for gentry it's 5, and for stumpy it is 6. So, we have to select an option in such a way it has 7 number of alphabets. In these options, only splayed as 7 number of alphabets. So, the answer is splayed. Now, let us move on to the next question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in the year 2/3/2017 afternoon. I will read out the question now. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. This is the question now, and I will read out the series now. Toxic, icon, onto, tomorrow is the series, and the options are followed by option A, owl, option B, wet, option C, rat, and option D, borrow. These are the options, and you guys can try to figure out the logic here, and this is an easy question. I am going to say the logic also here. Look at the series words carefully. For toxic, the last 2 letters is IC. For icon, the last 2 letters, the first 2 letters is IC. So, obviously, you might have found out the logic now, and the logic is the last 2 alphabets of the first word is equal to first 2 alphabets of the next word. I will write down this because most of the questions are having this logic only. Last 2 letters of first word is equal to first 2 letters of next word. Okay guys, so obviously for after tomorrow, the tomorrow is ending with the last 2 alphabets O, W, and you have to select an option in such a way the alphabet must have O, W in its front. So only owl as having O, W. So this one for owl only follows the logic. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 56 of SSC JEE 2/3/2017 afternoon session. I am reading out the question now. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. This is the question, and the series is as follows. Cremation, accolade, mastro, chrome. These are the options, these are the series, and the options are option A, berry, option B, zebra, option C, virtual, option D, time. And almost everyone might have solved this. This is an easy question. We have seen many questions of this type previously in our yesterday SSC JEE previous year questions class. And I will say the answer now, and you can try to figure out the logic. If not, I am going to say the logic here. The answer is option B, zebra. Can you guys find how zebra is the answer? And the logic behind this is, for each and every word, the number of alphabets in that word is decreasing, starting from cremation to chrome. In cremation there are 9 alphabets, in accolade there are 8, and in mastro there are 7 alphabets, in chrome there are 6 alphabets. And next you have to select the option in such a way that the option must have only 5 number of alphabets. According to this logic, zebra only has 5 number of alphabets. So this is the answer. Let us move on to the 57th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2/3/2017 afternoon session. Select the odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. This is the question, and the options are as follows. You can look at the options in your paper, because this question is a bit different from the previously solved questions. The options are option A, Q sign, option B, business, option C, disinterested, option D, noisiness. Okay guys, can you find out the logic here? If you think like disinterested is somewhat deviating from the above given options, something like that. No, this is a different one. And here it is something you have to note down regarding the alphabets, the given options. If you try to count the number of alphabets in each one, you can't get the answer. And the logic behind here is, this is also a simple logic, but you people might have not solved this logic in this class previously. So the logic is, except the word business, each and every option is having two I's in its word. For example, for Q sign, there are two I's, CUI and SINE. For disinterested also there are two I's, and for noisiness also there are two I's. So the logic is, each and every word has two I's in it, two I, except business. So business is the answer here. Let us move on to the 58th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 afternoon batch. Select the word, odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A, crayon and marker. Option B, pen and eraser. Option C, book and diary. Option D, pen and marker. Can you guys find out what is the odd word here or odd pair here? If you can, yeah, you are good in finding out the logic. Can you do this? You can pause the video and try. And now I am going to reveal the logic between this. Look at each and every option: crayon and marker, pen and eraser, and pen and marker. These options are, you are doing something in the paper, or notebook. Like for crayon and marker, you can draw and mark something. For pen and eraser, you can write and erase. You are doing something in the notebook. Pen and marker also you are doing the same, but in book and diary, this is the exceptional case. Book and diary is the odd one, because the other options are, you are doing something with a notebook, and option C alone, it is itself the notebook there. So option C is the answer. You can note it down. I am going to the next question. Question number 59. Select the odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A, pros and cons. Option B, dead or alive. Option C, null and void. Option D, sooner or later. These are the options, guys. You have to find the odd word or odd pair here between the below given 4 options. And I am going to say this answer. This is a very easy thing. I will say the answer initially and I will explain how this is the answer. Okay, you can understand. The option answer is null and void. Null and void is the answer here. Why null and void is the answer? Can anybody guess? Yes, obviously you are right. The meaning of null and void is same. It means, void means there is a hole there. Something like there is a pit here. If this void is empty, if this I'm sorry, actually there is a, in soil mechanics you could have read about this. Like there is a soil, the soil might have voids. Voids means there are holes. The meaning of null is also the same. So null and voids are meanings of each other. But when we are seeing the other options are antonyms, opposites of each other. Pros and cons, dead or alive, sooner or later. Each of the options are opposite each other. So null and void are meaning to each other. So that is the option here. The logic here is antonyms is the logic. Let us move on to the 60th question of 60 of SSC JEE 2/3/2017 afternoon batch. I will read out the question. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The alternatives are brine is to inert, beware is to dash. You can guess the answer, as most of you people might have guessed it. I will read the options here. Option A, arenas. Option B, declare. Option C, spare. Option D, area. Okay guys, these are the options. And most of you people, almost all people, if you have watched my previously solved previous year questions SHG video, you would have get the right answer as arenas. Option A. And some people might have already figured out the logic, but you would have thought of writing area. Area is wrong. Why area is wrong? The logic here is initially brine is to inert. The last three letters is equal to first three letters of the next word. So there is a logic here. You will may ask, the last three letters of beware is A-R-E. Why not area, sir? Area will not come, because look at the overall logic. Alphabets, number of alphabets in beware. The number of alphabets is 6 number of alphabets. Area contains only 4 number of alphabets and arenas contain 6 number of alphabets. So arenas is the answer. Can you guys understand it? Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is the 61st question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 afternoon session. I will read out the question. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The series here is, it means the alternatives here is dream is to area, frame is to what? Is the question. This is a very simple question. I am going to read out the answer options. Option A, farmer. Option B, year. Option C, fair. Option D, freer is the options. And most of you people might have already guessed the answer, and obviously the answer is the same. The logic behind this is dream is to area. Dream has 5 number of alphabets, area has 4 number of alphabets. Frame has 5 number of alphabets. So the ratio is in 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4 is to 5 is to what? The question here. So what will be the answer? Obviously the answer is 4. Only fair. Only fair has 4 number of alphabets. Other than that, other words have different alphabets. So it has to come in this ratio. 5 is to 4 is to 5 is to 4. So the answer option is C. Let us move on to the next question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 afternoon batch. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. Quadrilateral is to 4 implies what is the question. Cylinder is to circle, cube is to square, triangle is to 180, hexagon is to 6. Actually, if you try to describe each and every options, you will get each and every options might be the correct one, because cylinder is to circle. The top surface of the cylinder is obviously in a circular position. You may think this may be also the answer. Cube is to square. The top surface of a cube may be in square shape. You may think this may be the answer, but this is not the answer too. Triangle is to 180. You may think the sum of all sides for equilateral triangle will be 180 degree, and obviously this is also the wrong answer, because in the question it is asked as quadrilateral is to 4. It means the number of sides of a quadrilateral is 4. So in the answer options you have to see which shape describes the number of sides of the concerned shape. The only answer options that comes in this logic is hexagon is to 6. So the correct option is option D, hexagon is to 6. Okay guys, let's move on to the 63rd question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 afternoon batch. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives is the question, and the alternatives here is chips is to potatoes implies soda is to what? They have asked this. The answer options are fizz, option A, option B, bottle, option C, lemon, option D, water. What is the answer option here? If you can guess the logic between chips and potato, you can easily get the logic between soda and water. Can you guys guess the logic? Yeah, it's obviously the simplest logic again. You have to find what is the parental material of the things described here. Chips is to potato. What is the parental material of chips? What do you mean by parental material, sir? That's what you're asking. Parental material means the before form of the given word. What is the before form of chips? Did chips just evolve around without any things? No. Chips are evolved from the potatoes. In the same way, soda is evolved from what? Is the logic here. So, soda is evolved from obviously water. So, water is the right answer. Option D, water. Okay students, let's move on to the 64th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 afternoon batch. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The alternatives here are: red is to color implies French is to what? Is the question here. And the answer options are foreign, option A, option B, language, option C, European, option D, country. And obviously most of you people might have found the logic here, but still you might have written the wrong option. This is some exceptional case. I am going to say why you might have written wrong option. 90% of the people might have written the correct option, but the other 10% might think that French is a country. They will think that French is a country. Obviously not. French is a language, it's not a country. So they have asked red is a color, so French is a what? Is the question here, and the answer here is French is a language. And obviously if they have asked instead of French, if they have asked France, means you might have written country as the answer. Since it has asked as French, language is the answer here. So I hope you can understand it. Let's move on to the 65th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 forenoon batch. Okay guys, let me read out the question. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Is the question here. And the series is, let down here. Is it visible? Yeah. X, S, N and I is the series here, and the options are E, D, F and G. If you have missed out the previous class I have solved, I have said that if alphabets are asked in question paper, before starting to solve that, you might write the alphabets ABCD in this format up to E with 5 rows, numbering them, because it will be easy for you to figure out which will you get easily. You have to write this in this format. Okay, and if you write and see the number with each and every word, X is 5 letters after S, so it is reducing. After X it is coming S, after S it is coming N, and after N I comes, so it is reducing in minus 5 order. So this is the logic here. After I, a word must get in minus 5, reduce in minus 5 logic. If you find that, you can easily get the answer, and the answer option is option D. After I, for I, if you put minus 5, you will get D. So D is the answer option. Option B, option 2, D is the answer. Let us move on to the 66th question of SSC JEE. In a given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is mentioned here. And you can see the higher, cowl, mons, sheath. And most of you people might have already got the correct answer, and you are right. The answer option is option A, ground, A ground. Why answer option A is the answer? You might have think why is the answer, and if you had already figured out the logic, it is easy for you to find out. The logic is when each and every word is increasing, the number of alphabets in that word is also increasing. So A ground is the answer. Question number 67. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series is the question here. And the series is cream, ampere, revenge, gene. And the options are option A beat, option C neat, option B neat, option C seat, option D heat. And that's the old logic we were solving from the first question. The logic is, I'll say the answer option initially, and you can after knowing the answer option, most of you people might figure out what is the logic behind this. Answer option is option B, neat, NEAT. Okay guys, what is the logic here? The last two letters of the first word equal to this word. Check this one out. The last two letters of the first word equal to first two letters of the next word. So that's the logic. So ending letter of genie is NE. So you have to get first two letters as NE in the answer options. The only option as NE is neat, NEAT. Okay students, let's move on to the 68th question. Select the odd word or letters or numbers from or a word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. The alternative options are option A consultant, option B insulate, option C sultry, option D insult. This is a different thing comparing to other questions, and most of you people might already have figured out the logic between this. Should I write this on board? Okay, some people don't know the logic, so I am going to write this thing on board. The logic behind each and every word is, look at these words carefully. Consultant, insulate, sultry, and insults. These are the options, and if you try to figure out the meaning or number of letters of the each and every option, obviously you can't find the answer. The logic behind this one is a very simple logic, and obviously after I am revealing it, you will think this is that much easy, and obviously it is that much easy only. And the logic is here. The word insulate alone doesn't have T, that's salt here. The other words have sultry has salt, insult has salt, and consultant also has salt. So obviously this is the logic here, and insulate is the answer option. Let us move on to the next question of SSJE. Year 2 March 17 forenoon. I will read out the question. Select the odd word or letters or numbers or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A, sword and spear. Option B, bow and arrow. Option C, sword and shield. And option D, bow and shield. Obviously, most of you people, almost all people, might have guessed the answer already. If you didn't guess the answer, don't worry. I will say the logic between this. And the answer option is option D, bow and shield. Because every other thing, each and every other thing in the question has a pair. Think of a sword and spear. It's a combo. Bow and arrow, obviously bow and arrow is a combo. Sword and shield. Sword and shield. You use shield for protection and sword for attacking. So this is also a pair. Bow and shield. Guess it, guys. Can anybody use a bow and a shield for attacking or protecting? Is that a correct pair? No, obviously it is not a pair. So that is the order option there. Let us move on to the 70th question of SSCGE 70. Select the odd word or letters or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. And the alternatives are cloak and dagger, hammer and nail, suit and tie, knife and fork. These are the options, guys. And most of the people might think, sir, what is this cloak and dagger? I don't know the meaning of the cloak and dagger. Obviously, you don't have to worry to know the meaning of the cloak and dagger, because in this question it is not needed actually. If you see each and every option here, hammer and nail, suit and tie, knife and fork, these both are used at the same time. Consider knife and a fork. You use it while eating the table. Suit and tie. When you wear a perfect suit, obviously you are going to wear a tie. And hammer and nail. You can't use anything individually. You can't use hammer and nail individually. That's a pair. So next, cloak and dagger. In cloak and dagger alone, it is not a pair. So that is the odd option. So you have to select that option. So the answer option is option A, cloak and dagger. Okay students, let's move on to the next question of SSCGE. This question is asked in the year 2/3/2017 forenoon session. The question is, select the odd word or letter or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A, radio. Option B, television. Option C, laptop. And option D, smartphone. What is the logic behind here to get the odd word out? Obviously, most of the people can guess that the answer option is option A, radio. Why radio is the correct answer? Because comparing to television, laptop and smartphone, in this thing you can access both audio and video. But consider the case of the radio. Can you get the video there? No, it's not possible. Only you will get the audio there. So that is the odd word there. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 72 of SSCGE. This question is asked in 2 March 2017 forenoon session. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. The options, the series initially are treason, sonnets, implies, bribes is to dash is the question. The answer options are option A, best, option B, crimson, option C, bestow, option D, sonata. What is the logic behind here? If you can guess the logic here, this logic is already repeated in most of the questions previously, and however it is going to repeat in the future also, and this is a very simple logic, but you should not try to figure out the meaning of each and every word. If you're trying to figure out the meaning initially, if you don't know the meaning, you can go to the next logic actually, because it can save you a humongous number of time. I will say that initially the answer option, and you can try to guess the logic there. Option C is the answer, based down. How? What's the logic here? For treason, the last 3 letters of the word treason is followed by first three letters of the next word, that is sonnets. Treason is ending with SON and sonnets is starting with SON. So this is the logic. For bribes, you must select the answer option in such a way that BES, the answer option starts with the word BES, and the only option following this logic is bestow. So let's move on to the next question. This question is asked in the year 2 March 17 forenoon session of SSC JEE. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives is the question, and the alternatives are mouse is to museums, implies worst is to what is the question here, and the answer options are option A rotar, option B sorrows, option C root, option C row, and option D root. And if you can figure out the logic here, you can figure out the answer very easily, and I am going to reveal the logic now. Initially I will say the answer and you can try to solve. The answer is option B sorrows. Why sorrows is the answer? Look at the first pair of words. Museum, mouse is to museum. Mouse, as the clue here is number of alphabets. Mouse has 5 number of alphabets and museum has 7 number of alphabets. So it is in the ratio 5:7, implies, and already worst has 5 alphabets, is to you must get a word in such a way the number of alphabets in the word as 7. So look at the answer option. The only option which has 7 number of alphabets is sorrows. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 74 of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 2 March 17 forenoon session. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives is the question here, and I will read out the alternatives here initially. Leaf is to leaves, implies dash is the question here, and the options are nuclei is to nucleus, thesis is to thesis, crisis is to crisis, focus is to foci. And most of you people, obviously it is clear that most of you people might already know the logic. The finding out the logic here is not very difficult, but finding out the answer is a little bit difficult for those people who don't know the plural form of each words. If you think leaf and leaves, it is in the ratio of singular is to plural. So look out the answer options. The option 4, focus is to foci. This one, the focus is the singular form of foci. Foci is the plural form. So can you find out the logic here? That's it. Let's move on to the 75th question of SSC JEE 2 March 2017 forenoon session. The question is, select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives is the question. This question as the alternatives has cat is to paws, implies goat is to what is the question. You have to know this is like a descriptive type of verbal analogy. I have already mentioned the verbal analogy, logics and chances of asking questions there. In that if you check out, the third point will be descriptive. Generally what describes? Paws. Paws describes the what part of a cat. If you found out this logic, you can try to figure out the logic between two words. For that also you must know what is the part of a goat. The logic here is paws are the foot of a cat. So what is the foot of a goat is the question here. And check out the option B, horns. What is a horn? Horn is like rhinoceros. It's an animal. It contains a horn. It's like it contains a horn. That one is called a horn. A single white shaped thing from a nose of a rhinoceros. That is known as a horn. And going for tail. Definitely the foot of a goat is not a tail. Leather. Is there any relation between goat and leather? Food relationship? Definitely not. So you don't know the meaning of hoof also. You can guess that hoof is the only option which might be the foot of a goat. So the answer option is option A, foot.